Hello and welcome to How to Play Jenga, presented by GatherTogetherGames.com. This video will cover how to play the game Jenga. The video will start with the general concepts and gameplay, and then get into more of the details for the game. Jenga is set up by building a vertical tower with the Jenga blocks. The tower is built by stacking 3 side-by-side blocks in each row. Each new row formed is turned 90 degrees from the blocks in the row below it. The object of the game is to be the last successful player to remove and stack a block before a player makes the tower fall. The player that built the tower is first to play. A turn consists of a player removing a block from the tower and placing the removed block on top of the tower. The player's turn ends 10 seconds after the block has been placed atop the tower or once the next player touches a block. Players continue to take turns removing and stacking blocks until the tower falls. The last player to successfully remove and stack a block without the tower falling wins the game. The player that caused the tower to fall has to set up the tower for the next game. A player can only touch blocks with one hand at a time. A block can only be removed from below the topmost completed level. That wraps up How to Play Jenga. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and get more game tutorials by subscribing to our channel, Gather Together Games. Thanks for watching.